Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The next generation OPPO Find X9 Ultra, designed with a strong Hasselblad-inspired look, finally made its debut right before the Urumqi holiday. Before the launch, I had the chance to spend some time with this flagship imaging phone, equipped with a 10x optical zoom and dual 200-megapixel ultra-large sensor cameras, to find out whether it's truly a great companion for holiday photography.
A quick shout to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
The very first moment I held the Find X9 Ultra, I could immediately feel the stronger Hasselblad influence. Its perfectly symmetrical Master Eye camera module, inspired by Scandinavian design, along with the shutter button that closely resembles the one on Hasselblad cameras, clearly pays tribute to the brand's classic camera aesthetics. Paired with the terrace brown finish, which draws inspiration from the rugged Nordic landscape, the phone delivers an incredibly authentic camera-like feel. Every time I pressed the shutter button, it genuinely felt like part of a creative photography ritual. But of course, the real question is how the photos actually turn out. Let's check the results. One of the biggest highlights of the Find X9 Ultra is its impressive 10x optical zoom telephoto camera. Thanks to 5 internal light reflections and redirections, it can even extend to 20x optical zoom, almost like having a built-in teleconverter inside the smartphone. Capturing faraway subjects becomes incredibly easy. Just point, shoot, and the detail remains surprisingly sharp and clean. From my real-world experience, this lens is also fantastic for portrait photography. The super telephoto setup naturally creates strong spatial compression, visually bringing the background closer to the subject. This produces cleaner-looking shots with a noticeable sense of depth and dramatic tension in the composition. The second major feature is the pair of ultra-large 200-megapixel sensors. One serves as the main camera, going beyond the traditional 1-inch sensor standard. The other is a telephoto lens equipped with the largest sensor in its category. These cameras offer native focal lengths at 23mm at 1x and 70mm at 3x. On top of that, the massive 200-megapixel resolution also allows optical quality focal lengths at 46mm and 140mm, making these two cameras especially useful for everyday photography. Now let's look at the images captured with the main camera. This focal length is perfect for combining people and scenery in a single frame. The 200-megapixel clarity is immediately noticeable, with both the subject and the background rendered beautifully. Even after cropping into the original image, you can still get highly detailed close-up shots, which makes composing photos during shooting much easier and flexible. When switching to telephoto portraits, the 3x lens also performs exceptionally well. Its strong light-gathering ability captures facial textures with excellent detail. Combined with the Lumo SuperPixel engine's refined image processing, portrait shots look more natural, vibrant, and lifelike. Another standout feature comes from the latest innovations added to the Hasselblad Master Mode. One of the biggest upgrades is the all-new Master Film experience. OPPO redesigned 9 different master film filters, and among them, 3 really stood out to me. The first, called Hagwang, uses a low saturation color style that works especially well with darker clothing, giving photos a nostalgic retro atmosphere. Then there's Chongrong, which takes the opposite approach with richer colors and especially vibrant blue tones, creating images that feel clean and crisp. Finally, Hey by Contrast is a high-contrast black and white filter that delivers a bold sense of immediacy and sophistication. All 3 filters offered an excellent shooting experience and added their own unique personality to the photos. Another exciting upgrade is the new one-click master parameter sharing feature. In simple terms, if I come across a beautiful photo on Xiaohongshu, I can instantly import that image's shooting parameters directly into my own gallery with just one tap. Then, the next time I take a photo, I can apply those exact settings immediately, almost like recreating the same visual style from Xiaohongshu in a single click. That means no more searching through comment sections asking people for their editing formulas or color presets. And honestly, after seeing all these sample shots, you can probably already tell how impressive the image quality and color tuning really are. That's one of the biggest strengths of this second-generation single-lens color reproduction system. In daily photography, especially when shooting portraits in warm lighting or against warm-colored backgrounds, phones often struggle with unwanted color shifts. But the Find X9 Ultra still manages to keep skin tones and overall colors looking very natural and close to real life. Compared to the previous generation, OPPO has also upgraded the system with more sampling channels while reducing power consumption at the same time, which is something I personally found extremely practical during everyday use. For professional photographers and advanced shooting scenarios, OPPO also includes the Land Explorer Master Kit. The Find X9 Ultra can be paired with a 300mm OPPO Hasselblad Ultra Professional teleconverter, which is also built around a 200-megapixel lens, along with several additional accessories. Whether you're shooting landscapes or capturing concert moments from far away, it delivers a really impressive super telephoto photography experience. When it comes to performance, the Find X9 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, together with the Tide engine, giving it strong performance while maintaining excellent power efficiency. Combined with its 2K eye protection display that reaches up to 2000 nits brightness, the phone can handle demanding games smoothly and consistently. Battery life is also very solid. The massive 7050 mAh Glacier battery still had 63% remaining after our standard 4-hour battery endurance test, which is a very impressive result compared to other phones in the same price category. At the same time, the Find X9 Ultra runs the newest ColorOS 16 system. The updated lock screen animations feel incredibly smooth, while important information stays clear and easy to view during transitions. The overall experience balances visual appeal with practicality really well. ColorOS once again proves that it understands what users actually want, delivering the same smooth and user-friendly experience people have come to expect. Overall, the Find X9 Ultra does a great job of understanding exactly what users need. It successfully brings Hasselblad-level image quality and professional color reproduction into a smartphone while making everything easy to use through multiple shooting modes, focal lengths, and creative filters. At the same time, Master Mode and the teleconverter kit still provide the advanced tools professional users are looking for. That's why calling it a professional pocket Hasselblad honestly feels completely justified. I truly believe the Find X9 Ultra will become an amazing tool for photography lovers, whether it's for daily moments, travel photography, or even serious content creation. So if you're heading out this holiday season, don't forget to bring it along and start capturing some incredible shots. All right, that's it for today's video. Hopefully this helped if you're considering a new smartphone purchase recently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!